Well,
Oh, you're fucking
dumb
painful.
fucks our ass.
You're painful to deal with.
Welcome back, dickheads.
Thanks, mate.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I need more than fucking one of these.
Hang on.
Yeah, because someone got fucking
got
pre-ejaculated. Pre-ejaculated.
A little bit overzealous about it.
I was fucking thirsty,
Actually,
right?
I'm double parked, actually.
Because you're parched. Like beach chairs?
Right, so we got a bit of chat about this fucking ep.
Yeah. We got a bit of shit on.
I think we might start with what's fucking current. Tristan's got a bit to do with fucking this. And welcome back, Tristan.
Thanks, mate.
We have third person here again.
I'm pretty sure they can say that, but he got to introduce himself.
My name's Tristan.
What's your disability?
I'll just
being mates with you cunts, fucking hell.
Oh, we know the rest of your family, mate. You can't blame us.
No.
So starting off this chat, I think we'll get into the whole fishing ban. It's been around
Dermersal ban.
Yeah, that's sort of caught a lot of people off guard. That like really bad. There was no lead up, nothing to it.
I know a lot of people were fucking worried about it, like leading up to it, and when they were talking about it and talking about doing it and putting it in place. And
well, they already had like the ban, the yearly ban, like the normal bans, like in the marked out protected areas.
Yeah,
which affected a couple of my mates that are in Lancelot. So normally each year we'll go and do like a swap for a heap of like smoked meat, and I'll swap him for crays and jewfish and all the rest of it.
Yep.
That didn't happen this year because the Dermersal ban for them was already kicked in earlier and longer.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, they've already been on the cards for a while. I remember talking to Uncle Steve about it with his boat, and when the piss up when I seen him. And
you remember that?
Yeah, he's like, well, pointed out a few things. There's fucking, if they do it, boats are worth fucking nothing.
Yep.
Yeah, you won't. Nothing's going to get service, so all the boat mechanics are going to not be.
Yeah, I think they've underestimated what the repercussions of this are.
100% they have.
Yeah, and you got bait from shops.
Yep. So the tackle shops, they're being compensated.
Are they?
Marginally.
Are they? I didn't know that.
So, they're part of the assistance, right? But it's only $20 million, right? For every tackle shop.
That's okay if it all goes to one person.
Yeah.
But you got to think like commercial fishers don't speak to them.
No.
So it's the average guy that's out of his boat that's catching what? 4 fish a year?
If you're lucky, yeah.
Like if they fish like Dean, no fish a year?
Yeah.
I'm a catcher, mate, not a fisher.
Yeah. He goes fishing, not catcher.
That's it.
We got a fisher with us, but the cunt doesn't catch them.
No.
Like the price of fucking boats are going to be cheap.
Yep.
But you can't use the cunts.
That's right. You wouldn't be able to give them away.
So I look at it as it could possibly be fucking a good investment
for in the future when this gets shit canned.
If you had spare cash, like if real estate happens and shit.
Price of fucking living, who's got spare cash?
Oh, I mean, if you had money, like I don't know, Elon Musk or something.
Yeah.
If I could buy a bunch of fucking boats that are worth fuck all now, as when the fishing ban opens up again, fucking sell them on.
Yeah. Look, I've got storage at the property. That's my share. You just can't buy the boats.
But also, I was thinking like all the boats insured for X amount, which is a lot of fucking money.
They're an investment for a lot of these guys, like fishermen.
Yeah, all these fishing boats. I'm not talking about fucking ones that dock in the marina,
like trawlers and all the rest of it.
Yeah, fishing boats.
Proper
but they would still get affected by it if that's what they were chasing. That's the thing.
Yeah, it'd be like $100,000 fucking. Some of them have debt on their fucking boats.
Yeah,
as well, and they're paying off debt that they can't fucking use.
Yep.
So I'm assuming there's going to be more fucking insurance claims for fucking theft or
fires or
it's burnt out.
But the way that a lot of it works is they get quotas they've got to hit, so they'll buy like a ticket of how many they've got to hit.
Yeah.
From say sea lanes, fucking like the fish suppliers, the fishmongers that are in Perth, like the wholesalers. So they'll buy like even crayfish and they do the same thing, and they get tags and they've got to hit a certain amount. You see it on those shit fishing shows on like Netflix and all the rest. The same principle works over here. It's just not the same fucking size scale of operation.
So they're going to lose money too on fucking fishing licenses.
Yep. So it's also going to affect a lot of the small coastal towns.
Yeah.
The
like we
general
just like Savannah's.
Yeah.
That is fishing town.
Yeah.
How much is that going to fuck that?
Yeah.
Anything along the beach line, like fucking even down south, Esperance, fucking Harvey, fucking Albany. Fucking
everywhere.
Exmouth, Steep Point.
Yep.
Anywhere that's going to take a boat.
With that part.
Anyone's going to take a boat, like they're not going to do it.
Yeah, it's pointless.
Like it already costs.
Not allowed to fish.
I seen a meme today. It's like driving a boat. There's a video of them driving a boat. Yeah, everyone's happy, and it switches back to the fuel station where they filled up, everyone's not happy.
Yeah.
It costs them like $200, $300 or $400 to fill up.
Yeah, that's
And
right.
then it switches back to happy time.
Yeah.
And then it switches back to servicing the motor time. And like, there's a lot of cost to run a fucking boat.
So what are all the rangers and fisheries going to do? They got no fucking boats to inspect on the way back
You
down.
might as well stand down the fisheries, eh?
Oh, yeah. Get rid of them.
Yep.
No, they'll probably end up fucking doubling up.
Didn't they just increase their, like, they set out the new app?
So they've increased it, but I don't think it's in WA. I think it's East Coast.
It's still fucking Australian government, so it still cost us money for their new fucking app for the fucking fishing side of it.
So is this ban only WA?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And is it only in a section of WA or WA?
Yes. No, it's a section of WA.
Okay.
I can't remember off the top of my head
It's
exactly.
from Shark Bay down.
It's like pretty much
Carnarvon down.
Yeah.
Yeah, Shark Bay, basically all the way through to Esperance.
Yeah, where all of these fish live.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
I mean, they've already got sanctuaries and shit like. I don't. So to me, I look at it and go, well, it's the commercial guys that are cleaning up. They're making money.
It's not going to stop them because they're going to fish on the backside of it, like right at the edge of the ban.
Yeah, but it depends on what the commercial fishers are going for.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So my brother-in-law, he did it for a number of years up until last year, or early this year. And he was based out of Port Denison.
Yep.
Which is like Broome way. And he was targeting Red Emperor. That's what he was going for. And there's plenty. He was getting 11 ton a week.
Fuck me dead.
That's a lot, yeah. Through traps, which is still permitted.
Yeah.
Right. So it's only net trawling that's been commercially banned.
So like, yeah. So if they're banning a certain area, will the fish not just move?
Yeah. Well, that's the thing. Like, fish aren't just going to hit a imaginary line and then go, oh, I can't go in there.
Yeah.
Well, we look at even with Dirk. So where we used to fish 6 years ago, it's so overfished because it's like right where the spot is that people can camp.
Yep.
Now it's the fish are not as stupid as people think. So there's a certain limit to what most people can cast a line out to.
Yep.
I'm not talking about drones and all the rest of it or having anything like that. But your normal person is going to cast out 15 to 30 meters, depending on the size of the rod.
Yep. Depends on what they're using.
Mm-hmm. But so the fish used to be riding up against the rock ledges.
Yep.
Now they're literally hanging just past that.
Yeah.
So you've got to wait for like low tide, low fucking like swell, and then fucking heavier sinker to get out past it. Now, as soon as you get past like that imaginary line, they're there.
Oh yeah, it's a free for all.
Yeah. So all the spear fishermen are loving it, but the problem is, spear fishermen can't go up against the rocks.
No,
that's just a fucking death trap.
Yeah, it's just structure, man. It's where you see a high point or a low point, and that's where the fish hang out.
But eventually, they know not to sit local. So if you didn't fish, say like, and we'll just use Dirk as an example.
Mm-hmm.
If they didn't fish Dirk for 5 years, those fish would come in.
You think so?
Yep. Because they would see that there's no predator there, and they'd be getting away from the bigger predators that are behind them. Because, like, one, people aren't fishing for the bigger predators. The bigger predators aren't chasing them. Like the hard wall.
I don't know. I reckon fucking fish are fucking dumb, mate. They're just fucking hanging around
water. They just make
No, they're just hanging around structure and that, and
a lot of them do. But like with things like, but it's noticeable from where we used to fish to where we fish now.
Yeah. But even though fish like we used to catch on the beach younger days at wedge,
I'm about to say from wedge is the same thing.
You can't catch fucking fuck all, but
nope.
Yeah, because it's all fished out.
It's all fished out.
Yeah.
So like where the Wanagaran campsites are used to be right where our Mulloway spot was.
Yep. You know that fish sanctuary zone
now.
now.
Get nothing there.
Well, it's sanctuary zone now, isn't it?
Yeah, you know that.
Sure.
Or
no, you're not allowed to. Mm-hmm. We get that. But before they made it a sanctuary area.
Yeah.
But even before, it used to stop the entrance to Wanagaran. When we first started camping up there wasn't my 40th, it was one of the earlier ones.
Yeah, yeah.
It went from the bombing island, which is obviously no longer a bombing island, and it would go straight down to the entrance to Wanagaran.
Yep.
Then we were up for my 40th, and we were all expecting to fish on the beach there, knowing the tide.
I mean, that's the
and
whole
they
point.
Changed it.
That's the whole point of the campsite. So you can just walk out and throw a line out. I thought that's what that was for.
Yeah. Well,
made sense.
It's the same as so they blocked off the entrances to the beach.
Yep.
Changed the signs all of that one time because I'd only been up there 2 weeks prior.
Yeah.
And then I had Rowan with me, and I got fucking bogged.
Fucking this is a repeat. I've fucking heard this before.
But
you getting bogged.
At one time.
Oh, fucking hell. It's always that one time, eh?
One time, 3 times ago.
Yeah.
Do you know what I found on the camera the other day?
Just make sure you take multiple different
We're up at
angles.
Wedge another time when you were fucking doing burnouts on the beach.
Yeah.
Someone else getting stuck in the dunes and having to get pulled out.
Who was that?
I'm an explorer, mate. That happens.
Yeah.
Or when you're
I'm always the one who gets sent first.
Or we'll get spouted and the boys on and
Well,
you're driving other people's cars and get them bogged too?
Well,
yeah, the saying of the night was, you want to live or you want to die?
Well, it's actually, that reminded me. I had a memory come up on my Facebook the other day.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was fucking Dean. Bogged up at, where were we? Down south. Just me and you in February 2022.
Oh, is that fucking, Walpole?
Yeah, Walpole Way.
No, what was that?
I feel like you should find
Moore's
that and
Hut.
send it to me.
Moore's Hut. Was it Fisherman's Hut?
No, it wasn't there. It was, what's that one where my missus fucking hit the twig with an axe and it hit her in the head?
Oh,
Fuck.
Jaeger up.
Jaeger
That
up.
was Jaeger up.
Yeah.
On the riverside. Was that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah, Jaeger up.
Had to get my Max tracks out. Laughed at me because I packed them.
No, yeah, you are talking about fucking Karen Up Beach.
Yeah.
Fucking the more.
Ginger up was me and you and the boys with Kim.
Yeah.
So.
No, I got bogged there twice there. So consistently getting bogged. I'm an explorer, mate. It happens.
Yeah.
I remember there's other times where you had Chris and that in your car going up to Wedge down the beach and you were bogged on the fucking normal drive.
Yeah, I mean, I'd fucking drop you a beer and then before you know it, fucking going. So
Hey, beer's number one. Beer is number one.
Well, I really can't say much because of you finding me on the point, fucking passed out.
I'm waiting for a mate. But so let's revert back to the fishing ban again.
Yeah.
So boats and that are obviously going to be worth fuck all now. And
Yeah.
you were having a chat last night with a family member about the boating community.
Yeah, we caught up with the in-laws. They're heavily involved with the fishing industry.
Yep.
Founding members of the Mac Club on West Coast Highway there.
Fuck is that?
Also, the family used to own fucking Hillary's Boat Harbour.
Yes, used to own all the land around it. So they've been heavily involved. And
so is this where you get all the fish from that you don't share with us?
Yeah, not anymore.
Fishing man.
Yeah.
Likely story.
Yeah.
Fucking, yeah.
What was the story before that?
I just like fish.
So do we.
I'm a greedy cunt.
Continue.
They'd actually read the report that was tabled to the Premier or the government.
To start with.
No.
Doesn't pass the pub test.
No. They basically read it. The information they were relying on was taken in 2022, 3 years ago. So it's already irrelevant, right? The other big glaring problem with the report was one of the fish that they were targeting, which was gold band snapper.
Yep.
They were targeting it in 70 meters of water.
Yeah.
Gold band snapper, where does it live? 100 plus meters of water.
Yep.
You will never, ever in your life find a live gold band snapper in 70 meters of water. And that is applicable through every single demersal fish that they targeted.
Yeah.
Right? All the people told them, you're not going to find fish here. I'll take you to where the fish are.
Yeah.
Right? They've all said the last 2 years have been the best fishing years, in and out in less than an hour with their limits.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, what you said is right, because I remember watching an article on the same shit. The people that took these people out for surveying or whatever, they were deliberately taking them to fucking wrong spots. And they're going, well, this is not, you're not going to catch some shit here. It's all wrong. No, we know what we're doing.
They've been told by the government, you need to go to this specific GPS coordinates and take the fucking
and they cook the
data.
books. They cook the fucking books.
So the government knows where the fish are not.
Yeah.
Right? And they go, that's a good spot to do an audit. Chuck the camera in.
Yeah.
Do your fucking 1 hour scan of the area. Bang. Report the data.
But
data
it was the same as
no fish.
Yeah. Like Lansing's been doing it for ages. Like all of the stuff that I showed up for there, for all the like with the erosion.
Yep.
You know, like you look at the dunes, they don't exist.
Yeah.
Like
the only positive that they can see coming out of this, or two positives, right, is
I don't want to wait 5 years for fucking jewfish.
Right. They reckon it's September 27 is when they're going to lift the ban. Right. The fish stocks will be great. There's going to be
well, hang on, 2 years.
2 years, yeah. September 27, that's when
So no fishing for 2 years.
Yeah.
No fishing for 2 years.
No, I didn't know it was that long.
Yeah.
September 2027.
And that's initial. That's why I said like I don't want to wait 5 years for jewfish.
How many old people will be fucking dead by then?
Your uncle?
Yeah, I was thinking he's fucking.
Wait, give him $1. Wait, you should offer him $1 for the boat, and his mate down the road $1 for the trailer.
Yeah.
For $2, you've got a good setup, eh?
2 years.
Yeah,
at least. That's minimum. That's It'll go longer.
This is going to bring back pirates.
Yep.
Pirates are coming baback.
Well, no, illegal fishing will go up.
Yeah.
Because they know they've got no competition in the water.
Yeah.
Right?
This is going to be exactly like boat people getting on the shore, mate.
100%. Right. So there's two positives that come out of it, right?
Yep.
Is,
like stocks will increase 100% because no one's catching them.
That's right. Theoretically, right?
So
and there's going to be
just change.
Fish have got more time to fuck.
Yeah, but the problem is that but they literally just changed. Like you know how like you'd catch jewfish, and if they were undersized, you had to put them back, and they're dead.
Yeah.
So I don't agree with that either.
See, now this is the other problem, right? You're going to go fishing for what fish you can get.
Yep.
Right. If you pull up a jewfish, you're going to blow its guts out. Can't keep it. Throw it back. You've just killed the fish. You've done nothing for it.
I can fix that situation. Put a barbecue on the fucking boat. Cook it. Straight then and there. Cook it. Eat it.
Eat it. Dump the guts over.
Yep.
Which is how it should have been done anyway. Every time you go fishing, that's what you do.
Yeah. Well, that was when they changed the rules last time, right? It was
start a fire on the boat.
No,
it was fry out.
No, it was centimeters. The fish had to be X amount of centimeters long.
Still fucking dead though.
Yeah, that's right.
Dead
so
is dead.
Then they've changed to go. Well, you're allowed 2 demersal fish. Size is not an issue, right? Because we would rather you pull up 2 fish and take them and be good
rather than kill 1, keep 2. There's 3 gone.
Yeah.
Look, all those dead fish that get pulled up, this undersized when they still get eaten anyway.
That's right.
It's just
whether it's by a shark or whatever. It's dead is dead.
Dead's dead. Yeah.
Yeah.
But once you blow your guts out, that's fucked.
So another thing I was thinking about is like they're saying that sharks are fucking numbers are up.
Yep.
Is it just going to increase in more numbers of sharks because food's better?
You'll see shark sizes get bigger.
I don't know.
I think so.
But then you've also got what most people are worried about is like the great whites.
Oh yeah, what am I going to eat at fish and chip shop?
Well, this is the other problem.
Shark.
Hakey, it's imported fish.
Fucking that's New Zealand fish. That's dog shit.
It's imported fish, mate.
I might as well eat sheep food, mate.
Yeah. You need sambo.
Dog shit. I'm not eating sambo.
Mate, cats do not even eat fucking sambo.
I'm not a peasant.
Oh, you will be.
Oh, fuck. What else?
Shark.
There's some flathead.
Shark.
Flake.
Yeah.
All of the shit.
Yeah, right. Okay.
It'll all be imported fish.
So you watch all of the yeah, exactly.
Oh, I got a good business idea.
Importing fish?
No.
3D printing fish?
No. We can do that too. I got a better idea.
What?
We should make a jewfish seasoning. So it tastes like jewfish.
Jewfish?
Jewfish.
Oh, he likes jewel fish. That's what he's saying.
I thought he was like fisting Jews.
Jewfish. That's not illegal.
He's not Moses. He's not part of the seas between fish.
Yeah. But anyway, so I think like a fish seasoning that makes them taste like fucking jewfish. I can't even say it. No. Jewfish.
Moving right along.
Yeah, we should do that. Yeah.
You know what you should do? Not say that again.
It's just gonna be now when you go to fish and chip shop, it's just gonna be fucking dim sims and chips.
I'm okay with the dim sim.
I can do that.
So it's the dim sim and chip shop.
But can you actually eat dim sims? Because you can't have the shit on the outside.
I can't eat any of that.
Hasn't.
I can eat steak.
Mate, you got a shit life, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm just gonna imagine.
Have you seen that head?
Anyway, so yeah, I reckon there's what other rules we got going on?
Yeah, so the two positives, obviously, as we said, the stocks will go up and it'll actually become competitive sizing as well, right? So I think the record in WA is about 22 kilos for a jewfish, right? Mate, if you pull up a 10, 11, 12 kilo jewie, that's a good wicket for you. That's a good day. Yeah. So I think we'll start seeing when they do open it up, supposedly in 27, which I don't think will, competition will go back up, and we'll start hitting those 20 plus.
Yeah, but what are the fishermen going to go on target and fuck over because they can't get them?
Here's the other thing. Crayfish, right? Crayfish prices are going to come through the fucking, the arse is going to fall out of them.
Yeah, and the only people they'll export it.
Yeah,
that's where the money goes.
Yep.
Well, they won't. There's not a market there. There is a market there, but when you have so many people,
tried this already with crayfish.
We've got so many people that can't fish and now going to move to crayfish.
Yep.
Crayfish is not going to be worth fuck all.
That's right. It's going to kill the price on crayfish. Right. So
it just moves. It's just a flow-on effect. They haven't addressed the actual issue.
No,
they're trying to just.
They're putting people.
They're trying to placate people because the masses are stupid.
They're trying to put a band-aid on a fucking amputated leg.
Correct.
Essentially.
We'll come back to that. Just remember you just said that.
So let's just say we take the boat out.
Yep.
And
it's going to be a fun ride down the river.
Is that it?
That's it.
So you can't So
no, you can take it out on the sea. It's fine.
No,
Yeah.
can
What's
you
the
round
fucking
off?
point?
No, well, can you round off the amount of fish that you? Well, what kind types of fish can you catch?
You can't.
Sambo, whiting, herring, mulloway,
Shorefish.
all shore-based fish.
Nothing in the waters.
For 2 years.
Yep.
No fucking drop baits, mate. No nothing.
You will get done even if you are attempting to, based on how your rig is set up.
Mm-hmm.
Your lures and stuff are set up.
Well, even that, they've already changed from 2 hooks to 1 already.
Yep.
Like,
Really?
yeah.
It used to be 3 hooks.
Yeah, it used to be 3 gang.
No, if you deep sea, you can only be 1 hook.
Okay.
Yeah.
I remember wedge again with Kim. Now, and Hawley, actually. So, I remember we're in the shack. I remember fucking Kim sticking his head in the fucking door and going tink, tink, tink with a beer. This is like 7 o'clock in the morning. I was like, no fucking way, cunt, am I dealing with you sober? So I'm in the Coronas. Hawley's gone, I need to go to fucking Savannah's to pick something up. So he's fucked off to Savannah's. Now, me and Kim have gone, had a few beers, down the beach for the day, come back to the shack. And we saw a note from fucking Hawley. At the time, we thought it said, bogged up in the dunes, fucking blah, blah, blah. So we've gone to the dunes to try and find him. What he actually said is he's bogged up the dunnies, don't go and use them. So, close. So then we've gone to the base of the dunes, like the main dunes of Wedge.
Yep.
And we've set up, and we've gone to put fishing fucking poles in that you put your fucking rods in.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think Kim used to fucking bash it down?
The Corona bottle.
Right. So he does that. So then we draw a square around where all the glass is, so we don't walk in it.
Yep.
And then I bash another one in with the fucking hammer that I've got, and then fucking put it in. And we've got one of the, the live, like the white, not the live bait fucking ones that have got like 6 little tiny hooks on them.
Yep.
And it's just hanging there, flowing in the wind. Kim's gone to go and get another fucking fishing pole, and he's like, "What do you reckon?" In his head, I'll do it with a full beer. It won't fucking break.
Amas.
Another fucking square. So all of a sudden, the Rangers have showed up. Now, there's one little piss out. The older Ranger knew who we were, knew the cruiser. It was in my 80 at the time, so we're always up there. They knew who it was.
Yeah.
The young bloke's trying to make a name for himself. Can't have that. You can't have that. Oh, fuck. You got 6 hooks on that. You can only have 3. Oh, can't. We haven't even put it in the water yet. There's no fucking bait. There's no nothing on it. It's just blowing in the breeze. We're more worried about the glass of the fucking ground.
It's a fucking metal flag, cunt.
But it's like, so that's 3 years, and that would be 7, 8 fuck longer ago. Like 15 years ago.
Yeah.
So now you're telling me that, and I didn't know because I always, from that point when he told me it was 3 and I was getting in trouble, I've always done a maximum of 3 fucking hooks.
Yeah.
Well, up to I think last year, I think they changed it to single hook for deep sea fishing. Before,
so no point in a paternoster rig.
Yeah, only single hook. So
because we always used to do them, obviously, you do at least 2 and then the sink at the bottom. Yeah.
Yeah. So they've got cut shit, and they've widened the monthly ban, and now they just go on fucking bang 2 years.
Yeah.
I don't really see the point. I understand it.
I understand something has to be done, but do something based on real data, not 3-year-old.
It's not live data. It's old data. It's not current. It's not.
As shit rolls downhill, that's what I'm thinking about.
Yeah. Well, what else are they going to ban?
No,
right?
I'm thinking like we said earlier.
Right, though. No.
Yeah.
Right. They've banned fucking guns. They've banned fishing. What's next?
What is
masturbating?
4 drives.
No, you can't masturbate.
No, he's right because it comes back to
they're already doing it.
War on weekends.
Yeah.
What they want you to do: stay at home. Do not leave fucking 10 fucking kilometers from your house. That's what they want because then you'll stay home, spend your money locally.
Yep.
That's it.
Well,
your whole life revolves around just here.
Well, there's already a bunch of fucking conspiracies about fucking zoning fucking people.
But the war on weekends thing is the biggest thing. You Google into it, you'll see there's heaps on and
the rabbit hole.
But it's probably the one thing that I've sort of stuck to that they're not wrong. And you look at, say, over east when closing the tracks. What's starting to happen here? They're 5 years in front of us over there, it happening. Oh, well, hey, that model fucking worked over there. Let's fucking transfer it over here. And it'll work. Fishing, camping.
It's all about cost cutting.
So, what is BCF going to do? They're just going to be the ... Because you can't go boating, you can't go camping, you can't go fishing.
Yep.
So, what's the new name going to be?
Bunnings?
Well, they're going to take a big hit from this.
Yeah.
I reckon a big portion of their sales would be lures, baits, rods,
you got
reels.
Anaconda, you got all the small guys too. You got fucking
Tackle World and all the rest of them.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Sad state of affairs, unfortunately, thanks to fuckhead Cook.
Yeah,
I don't think it's just him because Albanese's behind all of it.
Look, I just don't. I don't agree. I get where they're trying to get at, but I just don't agree with the method they went down.
Yeah, especially that there was no consultation, there was no warning going, "Hey guys, just as a heads up," because you think a lot of people, it's come into effect as pretty much right now. Or 16th of December, it comes in.
Yeah,
right.
So
people
now,
book accommodation.
Yeah,
based on going, I'm going to take my boat. I'm going to
go
fishing.
In advance.
A year in advance. That's right.
Even when we do dirt, it's a year in advance.
But like what he's going to say is that now all those people are going to cancel now.
Yep.
Because they can't take their boat. Why would you book it?
Yeah. If I'm going on a fishing trip that I can't go fishing, why would I go?
Yeah.
So maybe they'll go inland. You know what they'll get when they go inland? Bins on the side of the road.
Bin chickens.
When you fit all the ones up and down there, you don't see them, but you do see it in like east of the hills.
Yeah.
But surely it can't last. Like, we are not over east. The coastline is too. We are not. So over east, like it is heavily populated.
Say it again.
No, I said heavily populated the whole way up.
Yeah.
We are sporadically populated, other than the Perth general area, Mandurah.
Yeah.
You get patches, and then you got Geraldton.
The density's not as great.
Totally different. It doesn't work the same way.
No. It's listen, they did it with cray fishing industry a number of years ago.
Yeah.
I remember that.
Fucked it.
Yeah. Good. Basically, they. So my brother-in-law, he was a cray fisherman when he was 15, right? He's now
one of my best mates.
Yeah. He got 2 days off a year.
Mm-hmm.
Christmas Day and Good Friday. That was it. And they were pulling up pot after pot, full. Yep. Numbers went down. They said, right, we're putting a ban.
Yep.
Right? They said it's going to be I think at the time, I think it said it was a 3-year ban.
Yeah.
Bang. 9 months later, they did the stop count. And guess what happened? Numbers went through the roof. You could not give them away.
Yep.
So then they said, right, we're at a sustainable level now. We're going to cap people 8 crays per day. And you're only allowed to be in possession of 24 at any given time.
Yeah, and it came back.
Irrespective of whether you've bought them from the shop.
Yeah.
That's the worst bit.
Yeah.
You can only legally buy 24 crayfish.
Yep.
I don't think that's going to last to 2027. I don't think.
When's the next election?
2028.
So it will.
Yeah, it will last.
Yeah.
That's exactly how they do it. That's why it's a year before it.
Yeah. It's not just gone, right, it's 12 months for all of 2026. We're going to stop it and see, and we'll reassess. They've gone, no, September 2027.
So what's the next crisis that's going to happen so people ignore that one and move on to something else?
Doomsday. Well, I mean, they're going to move.
That's how it works. So they focus your direction to different things.
Well, I'm sure.
They move the goalposts.
I'm sure that the cray fishermen moved to fucking fishing.
No, most of them didn't because there wasn't room for it because the demersal bans were at the same time as when they were supposed to get the crays.
Yeah.
Fuck, I don't know. I'll ask fucking Roger Cook, mate.
Nah.
He will not survive. Fishermen have long memories.
Yeah.
He will not survive.
Like the amount of stuff for us, like obviously we grew up with wedge. Plenty of my mates are at Lansland, things like that. We've got family at Jurien.
Yep.
Greenhead. It literally just goes on and on. It's the coast.
Yep.
It's fucked.
Yep.
They're trying, and then like I said, you look at the shacks at Wedge and all the rest of it, and the squatters and all the rest of it. Bit by bit, they'll reclaim it back, and they put resorts up. They'll put holiday stays, things that they make money from that they can monitor. They don't have to sit there and
anything
rangers to do. Yeah.
Or they can reduce the cost on doing it and stop people going there.
Well, a bollard costs less than a ranger if I can monitor somewhere, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That's just the way it's going to be.
Big brother with fucking cameras everywhere.
Yeah.
Cameras are so easy to fucking fit up now. Like, look at what we have here. And you wouldn't notice these when you're driving through the bush if they're plugged into a fucking solar panel, would you?
That's right. So,
yeah, it's fucked.
Was there anything else out of that conversation you had with
Nothing worth sharing, no.
Yeah, okay.
Other than fuck these cunts.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Everyone with the boat's pretty much fucked.
Yeah.
The cost of the boats is it's going to be cheap.
Yeah. My brother-in-law, he was looking at selling his boat.
Is $1?
Because he modified it and extended it by a metre, became a custom boat. So he had to get it properly accredited and assessed as a value. They said it's worth $100,000. His boat and trailer, fully licensed, everything.
Prior to the
ban.
Yeah,
got it.
Insured.
Yep. And basically got it assessed. It's worth fucking quarter of it now.
Yep.
So he's like, well,
if you can sell it, it's not worth even that because you can't fucking no cunt's going to buy it.
Yeah. It's no point buying a fishing boat if you can't go fishing.
Yeah, exactly.
So they're worth fucking zero, mate.
Yeah. And you know what? It's probably the trailer's worth more because it's metal. It's aluminium.
And then you're going to be paying. You'll be paying rego insurance on the boat.
Yeah.
The whole time.
Yeah, they haven't said they're going to compensate people going,
Nah.
Yeah, no, we'll give you a credit for a couple of years.
What about all the fucking? You look at the fishing charters.
That's fine.
They're dead.
They're gone. Yeah, fishing charters are now. Thank you, mother, for the rabbits.
Yeah.
And that's a permanent ban too.
Fuck it, I'm moving to Bali.
Yep. Why?
I don't know.
What? Because it's fucking.
There's no rules, mate. Yeah.
RC cars. That's what he wants.
There's RC cars. But I've seen it on the social media. There's a lot of people that fucking are starting to move over to Bali.
Expats.
Hey?
Expats, they're called. Yeah.
Is it what they're called?
Yeah, expats.
What's that?
Expatriate.
Australian.
You're a patriot of this country. The country you're born at is your patriot.
Oh, I don't know. Fucking.
That's what they're called.
Okay, you are an Australian patriot.
If you want to move over there, you would then be an expatriate.
Okay, well, fuck, I don't know.
If you were born in America, you'd be an American patriot.
Yeah, right, but they're going by plane, not by boat.
But
you can get boats cheap.
I don't really understand what you're talking about anyway. Fucking.
We know, because we can see the dumbfounded look on your face.
Well, what I was trying to get at is the next topic would be fucking. We're going to have a chat about was social fucking platforms are getting banned for under 16s.
Yep.
And why I brought it up that way is because there's a couple of families.
Because all of your people that you like to watch in social media. No?
You're a dipshit.
Let's continue.
There was a family that does YouTube videos and shit like that, and with their kids and stuff like that, and some of their kids' contents they create, and that's part of their money they make when they travel.
It's a family group.
It's a family group.
Revenue.
Yep. Yeah. So now they can't do it in Australia. They moved over to this family moved over to Bali.
Okay.
So going off that and talking about social media ban, we've all got different kids' lives and how we grew up, and I think there's some good and bad sides depending on where you're at. So, you, Shane, you've got teenage daughters
that are hysterical, basically over it.
Yeah, so
I found it fucking hilarious.
Missing out on their dopamine fix.
So Wednesday the bands came in.
Yep.
So I have my kids Tuesday night. They're over here and we're having dinner and whatnot. And as we're having dinner, you just see that's what you hear. Because they lost the next fucking program. Now, to get around this, one of my daughters has 6 Instagram accounts, 6 fucking Snapchat accounts. The other one has 4.
What?
Mm-hmm. Now, the algorithms for how they suss all this out is by how they scroll, how they flick, what they do. So their main channels, bang, done preemptively, done early because they knew it was coming.
Because AI you're talking about.
Now they're literally using their stalker accounts under stupid names so that no one knows who they're watching. I don't understand, but yeah, kids will do it. So they got like 9, 10 accounts on different things.
So they can stalk people without them knowing who's stalking them.
Yep.
Yeah, okay. I didn't know this was a fucking thing.
No.
News to me.
This is fucking news
to
me.
Well, you do, actually. Do you know how I know you know? Because Marketplace, Joe Incognito.
Oh, yeah, but I'm not using it.
No, not you. You like other people. But you know about it happening because people have multiple accounts. You just haven't thought about it the same way that a 14, 15, 16-year-old has.
Yeah. Okay.
But it is exactly the same process.
Like, so you got your kids at how old? 14?
14, 15-ish.
So it's the end of the world for them.
Yep. I'm so glad it's happening, by the way.
I'm glad that it's happening now. I think it's
long overdue.
Yeah, I think partially
it's too little too late, but yeah.
I think it's a double-edged sword. But for us, for me and Tristan now, for our kids currently,
they're coming into it. Mine are at the tail end of it.
Our kids will never have to deal with having it and losing it.
That's right, yeah.
Which is great for us.
Yeah.
We don't have to hear the headaches.
Yep.
And the ear bashings and stuff like that.
That's right. I don't have to either. That's their mother's problem.
Yeah. So I get and I understand. I think it's a good thing.
Yeah.
But it also worries me about the whole control thing and where this data is getting sent.
China.
Well, it's all controlled apparently by a European company,
which is
because you can't do it in Australia because it's against fucking
the
laws and the rights.
The US is the same.
Yeah, so they outsourced it to the European company. I can't remember, and then where's all that data going from there?
It's being sold to China and other fucking third world countries.
Well, what's more concerning for me is any person who signs up for a social media account now needs to either provide a driver's license, a photo of their driver's license, photo ID, a birth certificate, or facial biometrics.
Yeah.
So basically, they'll
Digital
scan your
IDs.
face like this.
Yeah.
Where's all that getting stored?
Also, a digital ID. They're pushing that more and more, and they're trying to
They
get.
always have.
And
Oh yeah,
that's fucking dangerous, man. Like in China, they can, if you're jaywalking or if they can fucking book you.
Yeah.
Done. Money's taken out of your account.
Yeah.
Or if you do wrong, say jaywalking.
Yep.
And you get shunned. Your last name gets shunned.
Yep.
And all your family money gets taken away from you. And,
we're fucked with you.
Yeah. So all the money gets taken away from you.
It's done in a fucking Digger last episode.
So you can't actually. Then you're buggered. All your social security, they've shit canned.
Yeah.
Digital ID. So
I
know it's happening a lot in Europe, in England and that. And
it's funny.
It's coming.
Yeah, it's funny you say that. I read an article today of Donald Trump with his obviously anti-immigration and people visiting the country and everything like this. To go to America as of I think next financial year, so July next year, right? If you're going there on a visa, like a tourist visa, you're a legitimate tourist, everything. You have to present your phone for inspection, and they go through your last 5 years of history on social media accounts.
Yeah.
If you refuse, instant cancellation of your visa, you put on the next plane back home.
Yep.
What do you mean? Explain it.
That you will have to give them access to your social medias, and they will go through your social media,
your history,
work out whether it's okay for you to come in the country. Or not.
Yep. Make sure you're there as a legitimate tourist.
You know, is it porn on
that all
everything?
counts.
They will go through everything.
Midget porn?
Yep.
Or
that's not okay. That's not illegal.
Yeah. So what about? Yeah. Okay. Well, I'll start thinking more about this.
Yeah.
But if there's something that you've been doing shit for 5 years and it's nothing.
I don't think I'm not going to be able to go to America for another 5 years. I'm going to start cleaning up act now.
But what I'm saying is, like you can't think about what you did 5 years ago.
No.
Yeah. No. They will basically do a social media forensics on you.
What happens if you don't have social media?
They'll still chase your search histories,
they'll go
your
through
GP
everything.
chat history.
Yeah. Okay.
You're
everything.
Out of the three of us here, you're fucking done.
I did ask GP chat if chat GPT if it was okay to fart in the bath and eat the bubbles.
Not illegal.
Oh yeah.
I nearly had thumbs up my nose. Yep, there's fucking moisture there.
Oh yeah.
Righto.
We've had some deep manifolds, but anyway,
your bubbles.
Yeah.
That's
GPT, you mean?
So I didn't know about this. This is new to me.
Yeah, and if you're staying more than 3 weeks, they can go up to 10 years back.
Yep.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, I get for bombing and protection and stuff like that.
Yes, national security reasons, cool, no problems. But yeah.
I mean, the average person's probably not going to have an issue with that.
No, 90%.
And they're not going to find anything in most people's fucking.
No, I have more problem with the digital ID.
But why?
Because you have a passport, you don't need a digital ID. Because it can control your fucking money. So everything's on it. Everything's
I
linked
needed
to
a
it.
little bit different. I needed it for a lot of because I buy a lot of stuff overseas, and I've been dealing with internet. So
it makes it fucking easier.
But I had a digital ID before I had a passport.
A question for you, Dane.
Yeah.
Right? Do you use tap and go on your phone
all the time?
What's
it done?
How is that any different?
What do you mean?
How is that any different to using a physical card?
Because it doesn't have all my fucking credentials. Or
it does.
Yeah, it does. It's linked to your bank account.
No, but like your
do your bank account have your name, your date of birth, your address, your tax file number?
Yep,
it's all on there, mate.
Yeah, but the government doesn't have control about that.
They have access to all of it, mate.
No, not
all right.
Fucking hell.
Okay,
man.
so do you give? How do you? When you do your tax, do you get a tax return?
Yeah.
You get money back. Where does it go?
My account.
And how does the tax agent get? The tax office get your bank account details?
I give it to them.
From where?
Like add it up. Like think this through. Your tax agent. Everything's through the ATO. The ATO is a fucking government company.
Yeah.
They've got to put money into your account.
Why do you think people on welfare payments have their crack the shits when they go over to Bali on a holiday, right? And their payments stop because the money's designed to support you while you're in Australia. The minute you step outside, all your government benefits are stopped for the time you're away from the country.
I didn't know that either.
Didn't you?
Well, you're not on that, so you wouldn't know. But
yeah. But yeah, it's just I know.
People rely on those payments to pay their fucking mortgage, their rent for the week, and then they get a phone call from their landlord saying your money's bounced.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I just think that's fucking dangerous,
but it's already happened.
Yeah.
What it is the general public just hasn't caught on to It's already happened.
Yeah, it's too late. It's too late.
It was always happening.
It's going to happen.
It's like with GST and all the rest of it. It already happened.
Yeah.
No point in bitching about it. It's already happened. So what can you do to live with it?
Yeah, they're just the control over
there's a
people's lives is going to get worse and worse and worse because
it's
of it.
already going to happen anyway. You trying to fight against it doesn't get you anywhere.
I've already started deleting my fucking Australia Post.
But there's no point.
Yes, there is. Fuck them.
What?
Another government agency.
In your own mind.
Yeah.
But you have deliveries from Star Trek. You're fucking having a letterbox at your front of your house.
Yeah, it's not digital.
And what's the point? Because where does it get scanned through?
What do you mean?
All of your fucking mail is scanned through the fucking digital systems at Australia Post, which is government fucking owned.
The government has your details in more ways than you think about.
You fucking think you're in control of. You are not in control.
I don't think I'm in fucking control at all. But I have bank manager. But yeah, no, I definitely think it's dangerous, and I think it's scary times ahead.
Yeah. But it's already happened. You just don't know it yet.
That's right.
Yeah, no, I think we're definitely screwed.
We're fucked 6 ways to Sunday.
Yeah. But yeah, I thought, I'm just going to move to Bali. Fuck it. Delete everything. Be a bum.
I would have thought at least like Vietnam, things like that.
Yeah, no, probably I'll go to Vietnam, I reckon. That'd be the way to go.
So you're going to go and get married in Bali and just stay there?
Yeah, not come back.
Can you imagine how peaceful our lives will be?
Fuck. Anyway, I'm actually, I don't know how to describe it, but I'm really worried about digital ID. You might think that too late, and I agree it's too late, but it's just
it's one of those things that's only
going to increase more and more.
Yeah.
You see it overseas already in fucking in England and that in Europe. And
what's the thing? Oh, you've already had your COVID shots, eh? So they've already got you fucking implanted with your digital ID. Don't fucking worry about it.
Shit, man.
It's tinfoil hats and stuff.
And,
like just control. It worries me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I get it, but you're a few years behind.
I went down a fucking huge rabbit hole.
All right. Let me ask you this. Here we go. Another question for you.
I love this because there's no need doing it to him.
So, right, you said you use tap and go on your phone.
Yeah.
How often do you go to an ATM, withdraw money to use on daily life, like the pub? Cash, yeah. So daily.
Where the fuck can you find an ATM, mate?
There's plenty around if you look.
Fuck off. You got to pay $6 with ATM fees.
Currency ones.
Yeah. But how often do you do it?
I don't pull out Bitcoin, mate.
No. How often do you withdraw money out of your bank account?
Never.
I do it a lot.
Okay. So if you're worried about digital ID, but you'll happily tap your card, if you're that worried about it, I'd be pulling money out of my bank and using that. So the government doesn't know where I'm spending my money.
No, I fucking agree with you. But they're making it harder and harder for you to be able to do that.
Yeah, but okay.
I understand the ease of it and why I tap and go, because that is fucking easier.
Yep.
But what I don't like is that there's going to be no cash. Yeah. It's all going to be fucking card. Everything's going to be electronic. And then at the end of the day, you're going to be completely screwed, even if you have a parking fine.
Yeah.
You won't be able to.
It's already happening. It's already happened. You just haven't. We just haven't caught up to it. It's already happened.
They'll completely fucking disable any fucking type of healthcare or anything that you fucking get.
It's already happened.
It's not that fucking bad yet, but it will get that bad.
But it already, that's what I'm saying. That's it. It's already done. Don't worry about what you think
it's going to happen, and there's no stopping it. The ball's already rolling.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you're thinking that you're doing anything to stop
No, I'm not fucking trying to do anything to stop it. I just don't like the whole fucking concept.
Yeah, but when you say, like, I'm going to delete Australia Post, it doesn't matter. They'll just get you through 100 other fucking...
Oh, yeah, look, I just fucking... I was going down a rabbit hole, fucking two worlds collide, fucking... And it was just like, I had to actually delete it because I was going down this rabbit hole, and I was so negative on it all the time.
But I've got one. So I went to draw money out to buy a vehicle. Now, my money, right, in my bank that I've had since I was 7 years old, I have to give them information as to why I'm taking cash out of my bank.
Yep. Anything now, this over $1,500 now, you need to have a place.
Previously, you had to sit there and book an appointment to take, because mine was always 5, 10, 15. Righto. So technical errors aside, I'm not allowed to literally take my money out of my account, like I was saying. I have to provide them. When it was up to 5,000, they were okay. When it was 10,000, I needed to give them a receipt. I'm like, how can I give you a receipt for what I'm taking out of my account when I haven't bought it yet? And and there was a $22,000 purchase, and I was paying an invoice. I was going to pay $22,000 and I was going to make $2,000 out of it because I didn't have to pay the tax on it by paying cash. Too hard. I just pay the tax. And I'm like, well, it's my money. You're working for me. I don't answer to you. You're not my boss.
Yeah.
But that's the way the world's gone.
Yeah, definitely.
No, you joke about the Big Brother and all the rest of it, but that's exactly where it's at.
Yeah, total control, mate. Fucking Terminator.
Yeah.
Fucking
Skynet.
Skynet. It's all it is.
Yeah. But it's always going to happen, but it just sucks.
Yeah, you can't stop it. And I just feel better at sleeping at night that I got rid of Australia Post.
You do you, boo.
You know,
do you.
And since then, all the packages I've had, I don't know where they are because I can't log in.
So, have you gotten rid of Star Trek?
What?
Have you gotten rid of Star Trek?
The Stargazer one?
No, Star Trek.
Delivery service.
Oh, I don't have it.
Okay, because it's the same company.
I don't have it. So, fucking move on. Something I've seen on social media, and I was like, the fuck kind of blew my mind a bit. So, it was a TikTok reel. I think it went down on all different socials. But it was what was the radio station? 2AW?
2GB.
That's it.
In Sydney?
Yeah, that's one. And they were banging on about fucking getting insurance for your vehicles.
Yeah.
And saying that if you put in that you're non-binary, you save money.
I remember seeing something about this online.
So they went on to continue to talk about fucking this bloke's fucking put his details in the same details, same everything, and one he said he's male, and the next one I said he's non-binary, and the cast did it from the radio station, and two different people because they needed to prove it, and they say one guy was saving $400.
Fuck off.
A year,
a year, just by saying you're non-binary.
Yeah.
It was NRMA.
Yep.
And
Allianz.
Yep. So I jumped on Allianz.
Oh, you tried it?
Yeah, I did try it. Because I need to verify. I'm going to talk about it. I need to fucking know the ins and outs.
Yep.
I only say $15 a year. But still, that's $15 a year just by saying.
So are you non-binary right now?
I'm not. No.
Is it, do you believe him, Tristan? Or do you think he's gone and fucking done the old switcheroo?
Fucking, no, you can't do it with all insurance. I'm with RSC. So, and I checked with RSC. They don't do it.
No difference.
No.
I'm going to try now. I'm doing my car.
Yeah, do it. But with RSC, you can say that you're not male or female.
Yeah.
And then you click. And then, but it says, oh, no, we judge everyone equally and did the right thing. But yeah, with that.
Load of wank.
So I didn't get on NRMA.
NRMA.
Yep. Yeah, which is usually does caravans, don't they? Mm-hmm. They're big on caravans and that.
Yeah.
But I didn't jump on them, but I did jump on Allianz and tried, and it was $14 a year that I saved. But even then, RSC was fucking cheaper.
Man, most of the insurance companies that I touch won't touch my cars. Shannon's is great.
Yeah. My
RSC is like, oh yeah, we'll insure you, and then they won't cover it.
Yeah, fuck. I need to get the RSC, the SB89 out and fucking take some photos and send it to Shannon's because they can up my insurance.
Yeah, why
wouldn't you? Yeah, I just need to push it out.
What? Get rid of the crayons off the side of.
Yeah, it's got love hearts all over it in the dust.
That was from your daughter. What's your son doing? Just dragging his scooter across it?
No, he just rammed the cunts. Oh, fucking today, mate. And I can't talk about that.
Okay. On the next episode of Why Your Kids Can't.
Oh, it's just. Oh no, it's all right because I fucking posted this week about getting the new RC. We'll go further into it, but this fucking today and the other day, he just rams it with his fucking bike.
What, the RC?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's a gimmick. I watched the footage you sent me. It would just show me what
he almost run it over.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
And then when you would loop from past the back of the barbecue.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, he's doing that
today as well, mate. He fucking rammed it with his fucking bike. I was like, dude, that's a red choice.
What the fuck is a red choice?
That's a stop choice. Don't do that again. Green choice and red choice. I don't know. He come home with it one day.
It's a school thing, I'm assuming. So speaking of red choices, everyone that's getting RC cars would be a red choice. Did you just make a green choice?
What? Oh, the people that don't get it?
No, he's getting a green choice right now. He's doing the silver one.
Oh, yeah. Keep going with which insurance company are you using this time?
What?
Yeah,
you try it.
NRMA.
Yeah.
NRMA.
Yeah, you keep doing that. But yeah, so he's fucking been twice now.
Yeah.
He's run up with his fucking bike, just smashed the fuck
Yeah.
Fucking smash this.
When you were going to buy it, what did I say was going to happen?
Oh,
no. What did I say was going to happen?
The kid's going to take over it.
No. I said your son is going to fucking destroy this.
Oh, you know what? I got out of the box. We got home from fucking going away. Come home, it was there. I was like, fucking super excited. At half a stiff, fucking ready to go.
Has there been a solid stiff for like the last week?
Oh, fuck yeah. And then my daughter.
We will actually get into this on the next potty because
my daughter's like fucking.
Tristan, does that hurt?
I'm trying to remember when my last accident
I've got footage of you doing that. That's why. Does that hurt? He's looking up like.
Ding, ding, ding.
You can see the wheel going. The hamster's fucking dead, but the wheel's still trying to turn.
Hey, don't whisper it in the fucking mic because
we can still hear it, you dumbass.
Passwords,
fuck it, I'm going to put it at 0. I'm not getting insurance. Anyone gets it.
I thought you'd whisper in your fucking passwords.
You might do.
Anyway, so he's fucking ran the car twice, and I've been pissed at him. But I'll let him have a go of it.
Yeah,
because he fucking. Oh, fuck!
It's your son. I'm totally
got so angry about fucking. Yeah. My daughter had a go at it, and she was okay with it, and she give up. She was like, "Oh no,
not my thing, Dad."
And he got fucking.
He just wants to crash into shit.
Yeah,
literally the shit in the backyard. Like the footage you sent me, like the dog shit you tried to screen around.
Yeah,
he would just drive into that on purpose.
He would. And then so I had to go get his machine.
The fucking was it the grave digger one?
Yeah. But we would.
Oh, I can't do it.
Because you're non-binary?
Yeah, because you're male? Because you're alive.
Special conditions have been applied to this, quote, this is because the area is currently under threat by fire. Your car will not be covered for any loss or damage during
So there's a lot of bushfires tonight. So our brothers were evacuated. Other friends of ours, the same thing.
Yeah, and then he's in the kill zone. So
so are my sheds. Like, because my phone's been blowing up all night. My fucking phone.
You know what we will do, though? Tristan will redo it.
Yeah.
And screenshot it.
Yep.
And I'll chuck it up on the fucking weekly post.
Yep.
Yeah.
I know I save money just by clicking non-binary.
But next time you just got to record as you do it.
Yeah. I didn't know it was going to work.
Yeah.
But even though they said on the radio station that it works.
Yeah.
And no, fuck. Well, yeah, you just tell them some lies. Just
even tomorrow morning, we'll just do it as a work unit and just fucking string record and see if it changes.
Yeah.
Oh, and then I'm going back on that fucking unclaimed money.
Yep. Oh,
fucking how difficult was that?
I still haven't got it.
I haven't done it.
It's too hard. They need me to do proof of what that it's me.
Yeah, you got to jump through a bunch of hoops. Do you remember how we talked? Yeah, we talked about unclaimed money and it's your money and you can claim it. Yeah, we did that. We didn't hear from them for like months.
Yeah.
And then when they finally got back to me that you got to do this, you got to prove yourself. Yeah. And I'll fucking give it up.
Yeah.
I reckon it's something we should revisit again after Christmas. Just as make a point, just because fuck the government, we don't need to give them free money.
Yeah.
We do that enough.
Yeah. My missus actually found one in her maiden name.
Yeah.
But she has
to. So did Dean.
She for her to be able to claim it, she has to actually physically go there with a certified copy of a marriage certificate to say her name's changed.
Yeah, and then you have to do extra on top of that.
Yep.
Yeah, there's more after that.
We have to fill all the paperwork out in a maiden name and a married name.
Yeah, but there'll be more after that. That's what I'm saying. Like, we've been all through this.
Yeah, right.
The emails that we've got, what we've already sent through the proof of who we are.
Still don't know. Your missus will do that, but
I used my digital ID and it still wasn't enough.
Well, that's not helping his cause.
No, it's just the proof. Like,
you got. But your missus would do it, I reckon.
Oh yeah,
she froths that shit.
Yeah,
she can save $1. She will.
Fuck yeah. Oh yeah, just stingy.
Yeah, she saved us a bunch of money for fucking kids' clothes and that.
Yeah,
I know about that. Got all fucking free clothes in the local area. She's been collecting them for fucking ages. The whole attic's full of fucking clothes, eh?
Up until a couple of weeks ago, it was
Yeah, we haven't paid fucking clothes for Jaden unless it's like an event or something.
Yeah.
So I haven't fucking.
They've been communal clothes, man.
Yeah,
we've had them. You've had them.
My son's had them.
My brother-in-law's had them.
Yeah, it's just
he mentioned the name and used to continue the conversation on. It doesn't add up when I go to edit it. Sorry.
So good. That fucking your missus froths that stuff. Fucking we haven't paid for any clothes for our kids for our son. It's all been rehashed from your missus because she goes around all the local places and collects all these. You must have a whole attic full of fucking clothes.
Up until a couple of weeks ago, I did. Yep.
And we haven't paid for my son's clothes for fucking ever.
They're communal clothes, mate.
Yeah, unless there's a fucking because you come like your son wears them.
My oldest one wore them first.
Yeah.
Then my brother-in-law's kid went there, got them.
Yeah, and then my son's got them.
Yep.
And then
now they're coming back to me for my youngest one.
You rock at my place, and you and your wife are like, "Oh, I'm pretty sure I remember that shit."
Yeah.
Just does rounds.
We used to have that with the twins, with all of like their mum's friends. Yeah. They all live on top of each other.
Yeah.
And their kids were literally like from like 20 down to fucking like 2. And it was like, oh, I got this from such and such. I got this from such and such. And I remember those kids having it. It was fucking brand new. It's like one of my daughters has got a Friends t-shirt. Well, Friends hasn't been fucking relevant for fucking 20 years. She's got one.
Yep.
Yeah. Jennifer Aniston's still hot.
Yes.
Yeah. Agree.
Yes, indeed.
Oh, any of that.
Fuck that hell.
I need some alone time now.
All right. You need insurance for that?
Yeah, it's cover fucking rubbing skin off.
Yeah. Wow. I think we're done on this note. Dean's had too many to drink.
Yep.
Ciao.
See ya.